Hi there, welcome to Officer Oil. My name's Scott McAdoo, and this is my son Garrett. Say hi, Garrett.
Hi.
I'm a police first responder for a local department in Maryland, and outside of police, I support my family, my son, my daughter, and my wife as a certified AMSOIL dealer. I love to say that when I'm not fighting crime, I am fighting friction. So we're here in the backyard today we're talking about AMSOIL's metal protector spray. So let me show you this right here. You want to hold that up for me, Garrett? Here, let me spin this around. Okay, perfect. So that is the AMSOIL metal protector spray. All right, we have a light duty version. Oh, yep, this is real life, folks. All right, you got it? Okay, good. So that is our light duty option. Okay, what it's going to do is it's really a must for all your house, anything in your house. It lubricates. It's going to free all those rusty parts. It protects. It displaces moisture. Don't you agree? All right. So it's great. It leaves a really nice clear film. And I thought today we would go and spray some of my new Christmas presents. Garrett, you want to show them off? All right. So we're going to use this. I got a couple things. First, we've got the new drum deheader, and you want to do that? So that's the garden weasel. So we'll start with the garden weasel.
You go like this.
So, yep. So you go in there, it's a garden weasel to till up the lawn and, get it ready for some grass seed.
It's like ninja stars, but you can't throw it.
Right. Good job. All right. Very true. Okay. So since we're just going to spray everything, use the metal protector spray on anything metal that you don't want to rust. So we'll give it a good shake.
Like these metals.
All right. Garrett, here, do you want to hold or do you want to spray? You want to spray? Okay. So go ahead and spray that head. Spray it all over it. Make sure you get everywhere. Hold it down. Spray. Don't get me. All right. Make sure you really get in there. Good. All right. Good. Here, we got to show the camera. All right. This one's a little tricky. So here, let Daddy see real quick. All right. So give it a good shake. All right. It's got a little applicator tube on it. Okay. But just spray down everything. Give it a nice spray. All right. And then what you can even do is spray the head on it. It's metal. But it's just going to build a nice protective film that's going to leave it there so it's not going to rust. So we'll leave that there. Let that dry. It dries clear. All right. Next, we have the drum deheader. So I've got some old AMSOIL 55-gallon drums here. We're cutting the lids off of them, using them as burn barrels.
This thing is like 20 pounds.
I know. This thing is super heavy. Hold it up there, Garrett. You hold it up. Okay. So here, let me go ahead and spray this. You want to spray? Mm-hmm. Okay. Here. Okay. Here. So we're going to spray it in all these little joints and everything here. All right, hold on one second. Go ahead and spray everything. Spray everywhere. Did you get it all? Yep, spray everything that's metal. Good. Come on, spray it.
Like that?
Yep. Okay, good. I think we got it nice and coated. All right, what else do we have here? So, let me turn this around. Okay, so Santa Claus brought me some new loppers, the Fiskars extendable loppers. So you want Daddy to spray it this time?
I'll spray it.
You're going to spray it? Okay, so spray it on all this right here. Spray it in there, get it protected. Good. All right, so that's good. All right, good. Got that in there. All right. And lastly,
it really helps the really metal.
That's right. It helps all the metal. Great job. Protects it. All right, so here we have some new Fiskars telescoping head shears. So let's go ahead and cut these things off. Let's cut this off. Brand new, out of the box. Here, you want to cut it? All right, Daddy will cut it. Okay, so spray it. Here, let Daddy spray. Let Daddy spray. Hold it for me. All right, so hold on. Hold it out like this. Okay, good. Ready? Okay, turn it. All right, hold it out. Hold it out. Now here, hold it out like this. So hold it out. Yep, good. Hold it out like that. Ready? Doesn't take much. Okay, so good. We got that on there. All right, I think that's everything, right? So, again, this is the light duty version. This is the regular MP, metal protector spray. We also have, hold this up for the camera. This is the heavy duty version. Now this leaves an amber wax-like film for those really, really, really heavy duty applications.
It turns in like color skin.
It's kind of an amber, color, but great for, anybody pushing snow down along the beach, spraying the chassis on your cars, salt spreaders. Perfect, perfect, perfect. And I may even put a little bit of that on there, but today we're just talking about we were just talking about this. That's all we're doing. So nice and light, perfect for fishing rods, storage for your firearms, dry and wet electrical systems, displacing moisture, lubricates, protects. Every home should have a can of this for just a door hinge, anything squeaking. Really, really great. And just a great way. It's a turbocharged way to keep everything protected and rust free. Garrett, come on back. Oh, here, go, let's fix this. My sticker fell down. Got that there. I need to come up with a better, yep, that's your ball. Okay.
I'll score this one.
No. Here, okay, we're going to shoot these are kids, right? He wants to score with his soccer ball. All right, put it down. Come on back. Come on back. All right, leave it there. Leave it there. All right, come on back. We're almost done. We're almost done. Come back here. Come on back.
Ow.
Come on back here.
I can't.
All right, I don't know. Let me go find him. Okay, he's back. One thing I did forget to mention, directions with this, pretty self-explanatory, but for best results, spray it on there. Don't wipe it off. All right, the carrier itself, what propels it out, it will evaporate and leave that protective film. So, Garrett, come on back. All right, we're almost done. So, if you'd like to get some metal protector spray for your house, we have what's called a preferred customer program. It is outstanding. It gives you they're going to save 25% off of our retail price, and they're going to ship it right to your doorstep. Great, great program. If you have maybe a fleet or a municipal or commercial fleet or even a repair shop or a parts store, or you'd even like to become an AMSOIL rep like me, we have an even more advantageous program. We can get you a bigger discount, start out at 30% off as well. So be happy to tell you more about that program. So metal protector spray, Garrett, why don't you hold that up? Hold the up. All right, hold that up. So go ahead, please tell me what you think about the video, what you think about the product in the comments. Please share. And if you'd like to move forward, please visit my website. My website is, here, hold it up. Hold it up. Here, hold it up. Here, please visit my website, officeroil.com. What's the website? What did I just say?
Officeroil.com.
Very good. Tell the camera. Very good. Officeroil.com. And please, if you move forward, don't forget my referral number. So my referral number is 164-9274. Again, 164-9274. And that, by using that, that's going to really support me and the family. So thanks for tuning in. Another successful application of the AMSOIL Metal Protector Spray. And we look forward to seeing you next time. Gary, you want to say goodbye?
Bye.
All right, say goodbye. Say we'll see you next time. See you next time.
That's what it looks like.
Very good. All right, thanks, buddy. All right, bye-bye.